Hello, and welcome to the TV room. Alright, so I have a 64 here that supposedly works, but produces no sound. That seems to be what it does, or what it does not do. So perhaps I will update this on the back. Alright, now I'll just set that up there. So, what have I done that I shouldn't have done? Well, I got some 64s. I did. Now, the first thing I suppose that I should do is open this one up. Once again, have no fear. This soldering location is not going to get bogged down. It's not. So what do I know about these machines? Well, nothing. Supposedly they don't work. That's what I know. Alright, put the screws over there. It looks like two of them are original. One of them is not. And inside, when we open it up, we find we can remove the keyboard easily enough. What do we find? Well, it's funny because like not everything is in sockets, but this one here, this ROM socket or ROM chip, it's not really in, really. Or maybe the socket is squirrely. I don't know. It's kind of strange. Kind of strange. Oh. Maybe the socket's a little weird. It just looks higher than it should be. It does. Oh, yeah. Well, this is. Oh, wait a second. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's an older 64 that uses, God help us, a 5-pin video cable. Now I have one here. That is not trouble, but do I know? Do I trust it? I don't know. It was an 8 that was cut down. It was. Well, I suppose nothing to do but try it. Now, once again, does this monitor work? I don't know. All right, one thing to do is reach around back and flip the switch. So we're going to go back. No. To this 64. Plug in the video cable. Plug in the power. Oh, all these cords start looking much the same. Oh, there it is. The machine is off. Good. Hello. Why can't I get that in? turn that on. Okay. So it does come up with this cable. Does it look lovely? Not really, but it works. All right. So another thing I think I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab, I have a light here that is attached to, is attached to the table. And I think I need it looking down on the circuit board. I think I do. I know I do. Okay, so this is an old board 64. The power switch was on. We will turn it off. We will take the video cable that is attached to the front, and we will connect it. So, sorry, the front of the monitor. We will connect it to here, to the video. Well, that made an interesting noise. And we'll turn it on. Oh, yeah. I will turn this in your direction. So indeed, you can see what is up with that. Now, I suppose, to be diligent and all, I like to be diligent, I should see about opening up the video area to make sure there's indeed a video chip in there. And there is. Do I have another little wee screwdriver here? I do. You know what? One thing I'm going to try, but it shouldn't make any difference, is there are these adjusters in here. Nope. Makes no difference. All right. So we'll put this 64 test cartridge in, see what comes up, and the answer is nothing. Nothing at all. Not surprising. All right. So, power off. So this 64, okay, which you can have a look at here. There it is. Okay. So it is a 5-pin 64. Snow on screen. All chips in machine. VIC PLA 6510 901227 and U2 6526 in sockets. And that's about it. Oh, I suppose, what the heck, P004999713 serial number. All right, so indeed, much as advertised, this 64 does not work. The board looks good, but it doesn't look like it's been weather damaged or rat infested or anything like that, but it doesn't work. So that is the first initial test on this. It is indeed. So I was told these 64s did not work, so I am not disappointed. All right, let's see, we'll put the screw, 2 screws in. Oh, maybe we'll put 3. The third one, it doesn't look terrible, but it also doesn't look like it's quite, it doesn't look quite right. But it's not terrible. Maybe it's just not pointed. All right, so we'll set this 64 aside, and hold up our documentation. And perhaps because we can, and we're here, maybe I should have just put it inside. I could tape it on the back, but I will stick it through the user port so I can see it's there. It's done. All right. So that is 64 number 1. We'll see about having a look at 64 number 2. Oh, yes. Gee, and how many did I get? That is an interesting question. Stay tuned. We'll find out. Bye for now.